There's two big problems that beginners face when first trying to learn cybersecurity. The first one is the fact that cybersecurity training and certifications are getting so expensive and sometimes they cost hundreds of dollars. The second one is the fact that there's so many different resources out there that you have no idea where to start and what to even learn and what's actually valuable. And in this video, I'm going to share with you guys 7 free cybersecurity training websites that you can use today to go ahead and kickstart your learning in cybersecurity. So I make updated videos like this one going through free trainings and resources you can use. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ben and I make videos like this one every single week. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out. And once we hit 100K, I'll be giving a subscriber a free Security Plus voucher. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to enter the giveaway. With that being said though, let's go ahead and get right into the video and go over the 7 cybersecurity training resources you can take today for completely free. Now these websites and resources aren't going to be listed in any particular order, but number 1 on the list is going to be AWS's Skill Builder. So skillbuilder.aws is a free website that teaches you any sort of cloud computing fundamentals and skills. The website contains hundreds of different training modules and you can actually filter them through different types of jobs, different types of cloud domains, and even your learning style. You can even take modules on this website to prepare you for different AWS certifications like the Solutions Architect or the Certified Cloud Practitioner. The learning plans are completely online and a lot of them are completely free. It contains things like readings, videos, and even hands-on labs to get you started learning the cloud. So you're going to be getting some high quality training right from AWS. Number 2 on the list is going to be Microsoft Learn, and this is pretty much the same thing as AWS except for Microsoft Cloud Services and computing. Just like the AWS website, this one goes over so many different Microsoft services, applications, and really any module or training you can think of as it relates to Microsoft cloud computing. So if you're someone who wants to get into cloud security or cloud computing or cloud engineering, these 2 free websites are going to be a perfect place to start. Number 3 on the list is going to be the free courses offered by Security Blue Team. For those of you who don't know, Security Blue Team is a really reputable company when it comes to cybersecurity blue teaming training. I actually took a paid certification from them not too long ago, and it was one of the best certifications I've ever completed because it was really hands-on and it really teaches you the exact skills you need to perform in the industry. So you're going to get high quality education and training from this company, but also they have some free resources you can use. In their website, they have free trainings that include things like Introduction to Penetration Testing, Intro to PowerShell, Blue Team Junior Analyst Pathway, Intro to Python. So these are going to teach you some essential skills you need to be able to land a entry-level job in cybersecurity and start to build up your skills to eventually start applying for these roles. These are some essential skills you need to be able to become a cybersecurity analyst. So being able to get a taste of it in these free resources is going to be really valuable. If you want to check out any of the resources I mentioned in this video, I'll leave a link to all of them down in the description box below. If you're enjoying the video so far, be sure to go ahead and drop me a like as it really helps out my channel. So moving on to number 4 on the list, and that is going to be the free learning path from TryHackMe. TryHackMe is one of the most popular cybersecurity training platforms because of how hands-on it is and also how beginner friendly it is. So you don't need to have any background in cybersecurity in order to get started using TryHackMe learning paths. And TryHackMe has a free learning path that is pretty much a complete beginner's guide to start learning cybersecurity. So this learning path goes over multiple different concepts. So the first one is going to be just the getting started phase. You'll learn the different careers in cybersecurity. You'll get an intro to offensive security, intro to offensive pen testing, Linux fundamentals, and then also you'll get a taste of using tools that are actually used throughout the industry. So this is really, really valuable. And then from there, it goes on to multiple different concepts that are also really hands-on. You'll get some CTF practice. So overall, this TryHackMe learning path is going to be one of the best free resources you can use because it goes over so many different concepts in cybersecurity, and you'll also get some hands-on experience with different tools and CTFs. So number 5 on the list is going to be the TCM Academy free tier courses. So this one is kind of similar to Security Blue Team, where it's a reputable company offering free training. There's only about 4 courses in the free tier. So these ones include things like Linux 100 Fundamentals, Practical Help Desk, Programming 100 Fundamentals, and Soft Skills for the Job Market. TCM Academy has a good reputation and they offer high quality training. So make sure you guys go ahead and check out these 4 free courses. Number 6 on the list is going to be Splunk's free training courses. And the reason why I recommend looking into these trainings is because, first of all, if you want to become a SOC analyst or a cybersecurity analyst, you're going to be using an SIEM or a SIM tool almost every single day. You'll be parsing through different logs, conducting your own investigations, and this Splunk training gives you a free opportunity to get some hands-on experience on a SIM tool that's used throughout the entire cybersecurity industry. You'll learn things like how Splunk works, how it ingests data, how to query Splunk, how to build out some dashboards, and overall a really good fundamental knowledge on how to use an SIEM tool. So if you want to become a SOC analyst, knowing how to use a SIM is going to be a huge advantage for you. So make sure you go ahead and check out this free Splunk training. And last but not least, at number 7, this is probably one of the most underrated free cybersecurity training platforms that I've found, and it's called KC7. And if you're someone who likes gaming, who likes solving different puzzles and solving mysteries, this KC7 training platform is pretty much high quality cybersecurity education in a gamified format. And one of the best parts about it is that it was created by Microsoft cybersecurity professionals, and also it's for complete beginners. There's people who have started KC7 who have no background in cybersecurity, who are in elementary school all the way up into college, and also people who are working full-time but don't have any background in IT or cybersecurity. So it really doesn't matter what kind of background you have in order to get started with KC7. And some of the best parts about it is the fact that it's completely hands-on. You're in a lab and you're solving a mystery, so you're entering your answer and you can move on to the next question. And on top of that, they have so many different modules that go over different types of skills within blue teaming. So if you're someone who knows you want to get into cybersecurity, but you're not sure exactly which part of the blue team you want to get started on, this one is going to be a free website that you can use to go ahead and get your hands dirty and really understand what you want to do in cybersecurity while getting some free high quality education. Now, like I mentioned before, all of the resources that I mentioned throughout this video will be linked down in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and drop me a like, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on the giveaway. With that being said, if you want some more short form content, be sure to follow me on Instagram at cyberwithben. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.